gotta do what you gotta do, right? I'm struggling right now. I came to this Cuban ass place in by my house. There's people looking at me. So this place is packed. So I came to get potatoes, butter, and milk. So let's see how many things I leave with. I almost got in a fight with an employee here. He's like, I kept letting everybody pass, and this man was like, oh, excuse me, like, bro, I know you freaking see me in the middle of the thing. Why are you? There's a guy looking at me arguing with the camera. So yeah, he was like, oh, excuse me. Like, no, bro, I've let everybody pass. I'm not gonna excuse you. I forgot what I need. I don't even think I have milk in my house. Okay, let's go get the butter first. To the butter. There's so many choices. Which one should I pick from? I don't know which one to pick. $1? Yes, please. Oh my god, there's no whole milk. Well, I needed a moment to take in what just happened. It's so hot today. Woo. Anyways, I forgot to bring my tripod, so I'm really like filming right now super uncomfortably. But can you believe that at the supermarket they didn't have freaking milk? Like, they had milk, but they didn't have like the small 2% one. Like, hello, what do you mean you're not gonna have milk? Especially during this time of the year, everybody's making mashed potatoes. There needs to be milk, but there wasn't any milk. So hopefully I have some milk at home. If not, I'm gonna have to go to Publix on my way back from the gym, because we need to go to the gym. What a boring day with me. My hair is literally silver. Right now I am going to edit. This tripod situation makes me nervous. I feel like my camera, I was gonna say my phone, I feel like my camera's gonna drop. You guys haven't met Buttercup. Come, mommy. Come here. Can you say hi to the peeps? Hi. Hi, baby. She's scared of the tripod. Tuti. Oh, look, it's you. It's you, mommy. Honestly, it hasn't been that much of a busy day for me today. Oh, can we talk about how obsessed I am with freaking unicorns? I kind of like got an obsession with them. It's currently 4:37. I still have to go to Ross. I haven't gone there in such a long time. Like, I'm not even joking. Buy some, like, not pantyhose, but like those, I know in Spanish you call them like fajas, but it's not a faja. It's more like one of those short things to have like tummy control, or like to just keep everything in place. But the reason why I want to get that is because the dress that I'm wearing for Thanksgiving is see-through, and since my family is gonna be here and stuff like that, I'm just not gonna wear, like, you know, I'm wearing a bra or like nipsticks nip sticks and like shorts. I'll show you guys the dress later, but yeah, so right now I'm gonna work a little bit, then we're gonna go to Ross. So honestly don't know which one's to pick. There's so many choices. I don't know. I need something like, oh, this has a little butt scratch. Literally, I've been, that's me texting myself to the computer. Literally, I've been editing ever since I got home. I got home from the gym and I ate, I did a few dishes, I chilled, and then you guys saw that I was just editing. And then whatever. Oh, actually I went to Ross. I'm gonna show you what I got. So what I had, what I wanted to get actually was these shorts type of thing. So this is kind of very like, really, Cindy, do you really need that? But the reason why I got them is because the dress that I'm wearing, which I'm going to show you now, look at Buttercup, isn't she beautiful? Mamuchi is Mr. Splinter. It's Mrs. Splinter. Oh, this is the dress that I'm wearing. It looks a little flashy on camera, but it's not that flashy, I promise. It's really cute, and then it has these cute little gold details. I don't know, it just looks really pretty, and with my silver hair, I just love it. That's what I want to wear, but since the dress is kind of see-through, I'm gonna wear that, and then some nipple stickers, so I'm gonna wear those. Yeah, tired. I did the mashed potatoes, I put them already away, and I was just gonna wash my face now and go to bed because I was gonna continue editing, but tomorrow will be another day. I'm almost done anyway, so then I can edit this one, and then tomorrow we'll film it. This is hard. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Maybe this one wasn't as exciting, but you saw what I get to do on my free time, which is nothing. I really have no life. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the little bell at the bottom for post notifications every time I post, and as well give it a thumbs up if you want to keep on with my life's journey.